Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to break down a trade I'm in right now. I'm up $400. I've already locked in 200 profit, and I have 200 more sitting there with two contracts, and I'm hoping that we can kind of rip up to this 70 area. I'm going to show you why I actually got into the trade with a fantastic website that you need to be looking at, especially if you're new to trading, that can show you insider buying and a whole bunch of other information that's important. When I got into the trade here, I got on this red bar, this big red bar day that we had here, right where the green line is. So I got in this trade because of insider buying. I'm going to show you exactly where I found that out. Well, we popped up here and I actually ended up selling right up here. So you can see I bought three contracts on October 14th at $3.30, and then I've sold one on November 1st. So that's right around here at this red day. I thought, you know what, this is great profit so far. Let me take the 200 off the table and I'll leave the other two. So it's been kind of shaking around here and consolidating. Now the website that I went to kind of find this trade, or at least trigger me that, oh, this trade might be good because I heard about this company, it's called EVA. Now I'm not recommending this company to you. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't just hop into this, do your due diligence. But this is hopefully a good way to show you what you should be looking for in any stock that you take a look at, and hopefully help you profit for going forward. So I love Finviz because it actually breaks down technical analysis for you. So we have a trend, obviously two trend lines here in a range. Now it is in a downtrend, and I bought right here at the bottom of the range, and I'm hoping for it to break up and kind of get to that 70, 75 as we see the top candle here. So it's kind of good just to give you a basic, like, okay, good with breaking down technical analysis. Then we have the market cap and income, insider owners, transactions, all that good stuff, share flow and everything, something that you would want to see quickly if you just want to investigate a stock, kind of get a good idea of it quick. We have a breakdown of outperforms or neutral or market performing, basically what the street's kind of saying. And then you have all the news stories as well, which is great. You can kind of read through the articles and kind of see what the latest updates are on that stock, which is really good if you just want to see something quickly. And then obviously all the stuff that you would normally want to have, operating expense, everything. But here's the ticket that you're probably most interested in. Down at the bottom, if there's a lot of insider buying, you're going to see it with whatever stock it is on Finviz. So the chairman and the CEO, the president, the director, the executive VP, the CFOs, and a bunch of directors are all buying on October 12th, 13th, and 14th. Now, you remember I bought on the 14th, so I'm just buying along with all these guys. $10 million, almost $4 million, 1.25 million, okay, 770,000. This is a lot of money spread throughout the entire top of this company, buying on this day. Now they might know something that we don't know, right? Especially that I don't know. Now what they do is that they actually make wooden pellets for power generation in the United Kingdom, Europe, and Japan. So we know the UK is having a lot of energy problems right now, and they need wooden pellets to help heat the homes or heat factories or whatever it is. They need wooden pellets and they need some sort of energy, especially with the upcoming winter. So that could be a reason why all these insiders are buying. They know something we don't know. So I literally just come to the chart and I look and I see, okay, this is obviously in a massive downtrend. We've had a really bad down day 2 days before I looked at it. And I see this a big wick where obviously people are buying it up. Now I buy in on here, October 14th, and we have a nice move up, and I sell off one of the contracts. So we can see here that I still have two contracts left over, and I'm up $200. So I've made $200, and then I'm still up $200. So I'm going to leave this on, and it expires January 20th, contracts. If you don't know too much about contracts, check out this video. It'll explain a lot to you. And this kind of gives me an idea that, okay, we're doing really well here. We're now consolidating. I like how the Bollinger Band is getting tighter. And if you're not sure what this is, it's called the Green Mobo. So say like here, you would go, it's a momentum breakout. So here, when it goes green, you would buy, and you're holding until it goes red and you sell. And if here it goes red, you could sell and short something coming down this way. And it's a good indicator that I like to use. If you want me to do a video on that, comment below and I'll do a video. But I really like how we're consolidating here. Another thing I like to see is the volume profile. So a volume profile shows you the volume at a certain price level. So clearly we have a lot of volume here, right? You can see the volume moving, and we're right on that price level. So the hope would be a big push through here, and sometimes you move quicker through lower volume, right? So we could get through this area here and kind of get to this higher volume area where we see before there was obviously some consolidation here and it ended up falling down. So my hope with these two contracts, they only last till the end of January. They're going to have something called theta decay, which starts to destroy the contract. I'm looking for a push up to about 70, and then I'm just going to get out of them. It'll be a profitable trade for me. If it ends up breaking down kind of below these wicks here that we see, I would probably be looking to get out. So if we kind of start ending up going down here, I'll say, oh, I made the 200 on it. I'm going to get out. I'm hoping that this kind of gives you a really good breakdown of some websites to check out, how to look at a stock maybe a little bit deeper than what you've been doing, how to analyze it going forward, and knowing when to take profit. So yeah, I hope that helps you out. Thanks for sticking around. I'll catch you on the next one.